You know, you could have searched for someone that could sing or some really good musicians, but because I had Justin Bieber in the title, you clicked on my link. Big mistake. Here we go with our song. Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. He'll give me views for Christmas. He'll give me views because I put his name in the title. I will get more views than someone that can actually sing. Oh boy, oh boy. I will get more views than someone that practices all their lives on this instrument. Oh, because I said Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus, and he'll be giving me views for Christmas. Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus, and he'll be giving me views for Christmas. Thank you, Justin Bieber. Thank you for giving me these views. I just put your name in the title, and people clicked on my link. Yeah, yeah. Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. He'll be giving me views for Christmas, and that's how it works. Yeah. This is the bridge. Oh, Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. Oh, Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. He'll be giving me views for Christmas. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put his name in the title of Justin Bieber is my Santa Claus. And you clicked on the link. Ha, ha, ha. I got more views than people actually can sing. I got more views than people that can actually play. Ha, ha, ha. Woo! Trolling on a fair. Yeah.